other videos, we have learned about string, list and tuples. And in this video, we will learn about dictionaries and sets. All of these are advanced data types. So let's start with dictionary first. Dictionary can be defined as an unordered collection of data in key-value pairs form. Collection of such pairs is enclosed in curly braces. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are keys and its values are Superman, Batman, I, Poison, Thor and Captain America. So dictionaries are contained in the curly braces with the form of key and value in the pair of key values. Let us see how to create a dictionary. We'll first declare a variable dict1 and then create a key Rohan with its value 78, key Pan and its value 57, key Tarun and its value 87, key Vipul and its value 89. Now to print the dictionary, we will just write the print statement and call the variable dict1. A dictionary can contain other data types. For example, in the variable points, we have the keys P1, P2 and the value 10, 10 and 20, 20. Here we have list stored in dictionary, and the other variable items we have keys AC refrigerator and cell phone and its value Panasonic, and then keys HP, Dell and Samsung and its value laptop. Here we have stored tuple in a dictionary. Now let us see how to access values in a dictionary. To access value in a dictionary, we use get method. Let us create a variable first, comics, with Marvel as its key and its value Fantastic Four, key as DC and its value Injustice, The Boys as a key and its value Volume 1, and last Invincible as a key and its value Compendium 2. Now let's just print the comics. Now, to get certain elements or just a value of a certain key, we use the get method. And to do so for Marvel, we'll just write print statement inside which we'll write comics.get Marvel. And then when we run it, we get Fantastic Four, the value of Marvel key. Now let's see how to update value in a dictionary. We'll just write the print statement and then the name of our dictionary, which is comics, and then let's say I want to introduce a new key, Chacha Chaudhary, and its value addition 1. I'll just write Chacha Chaudhary and the key addition 1. Now I'll just write the print statement and then comics and just run it. As you can see, we have Chacha Chaudhary and its value addition 1 added in our dictionary comics. Now let's update a new value existing in a previous key, Marvel. Just write print statement comics in Marvel and its value Eternal. Now we actually have two values in the key Marvel, Eternals and Fantastic Four. Now let's see how to delete a dictionary item. To do so, we use the del keyword. Here we'll write del comics. Now if I want to remove the key and the value of Chacha Chaudhary, I'll just write Chacha Chaudhary in here and then run the print statement comics. Now as you can see on the output screen, we don't have Chacha Chaudhary key and its value addition 1 over here. Now let's see some built-in functions of dictionary. What we have here is length, maximum, minimum, items, keys and values. So the length function is to get the length of our dictionary. We'll just write the print and then len and then the name of our dictionary, which is comics here, and just run it. Now we have the length of our dictionary comics. We'll do the same with the maximum function, and print max comics. We'll do the same for the minimum function, print minimum comics. Now we have some important built-in functions over here. Items. This method returns a list of tuples with each tuple containing one key and the corresponding value. We'll just write print comics.items and we have the desired output. Now for the keys. The keys method returns a list of objects comprising keys in the dictionary. We'll just write print comics.keys and now we have the all keys present in our dictionary comics. And at last we have the values built-in function. This method returns a list of objects comprising values in the dictionary. We'll just write print comics.values. Now we have all the values present in our dictionary comics. Let's move on to the last topic of our advanced data type, sets. Set is a collection of data types in Python. However, it's an ordered collection of objects like a list or a tuple. Hence, indexing and slicing operations cannot be done on a set object. A set also does not allow duplicate objects to be stored, whereas in list and tuple, same object can appear more than once. For example, let's create a set S1 with the values 1 and the string Sachin and then another integer 75.56. Now when we print the set S1 and we also print the type of S1, we get the output 175.56 and our string Sachin, and the class is of set. Set function. Python has an inbuilt function set using which such objects can be constructed out of any sequence like string, list or a tuple object. Here we have an example, set S1 with the string value team delta. When we print this set S1, we get the values in an unorganized manner. A set object can be modified by add, update, copy and clear methods. Let's start with the add method. Let's first create a set S1 with the values Python, Java and C++. Now let's perform the add method by s1.add. Let's add the value Perl and then we print set S1. Now we have the value Perl added in our set S1. The second method is update. It adds multiple items from a list or a tuple. When we perform the update function s1.update with the values go and Kotlin. Then we print the set S1, we get the values Go, Kotlin, Python, Java and C++ with also Perl. Third method is the copy method. It creates a copy of set objects. First we will create a copy of our set S1 in S2 by S2 is equals to s1.copy method. Then we print the set S2. As you can see, the set S2 has all the elements that are present in set S1. Now the last method we have to see is clear method. It removes contents of set objects, resulting in an empty set. So we'll perform the clear method in the set S1. S1.clear. Now we'll print the set S1. As you can see, the set S1 is empty now. But since we have copied the elements of set S1 into S2, we still have all the elements. But when we print the set S2, we get all the elements present in set S1. The last topic that we have to look today is set operations. Set operations includes union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. The first one is union set. Union of two sets is a set of all elements in both. First we will create the set S1 with the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and then S2 with the values 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now there are two ways to write a set operation. In the union set, we can represent the union set by print S1 with a single sign in S2, or we can write print S1.union S2. Both will give us the same output. The second set operation is the intersection. It can be performed using S1 and S2 and by printing the S1.intersection S2. Both these operations will also give the same output. Then we have the difference set operation. We can perform this in down and out print by writing it in print statement as S1 minus S2, or we can just call out the method by in the print statement print S1.difference S2. Both will also give the same output like intersection and union. And at last we have the symmetric difference. It excludes common elements. It can be also represented in two ways. First with the print S1 in the power sign S2. First one with the sign S1 S2, and then the second with the symmetric difference method print S1.symmetric difference S2. Both will also give the same output like the union set, intersection set and difference set. So this is all for today. Thank you.